In this video, we'll show you how to do
Croque, monsieur.
and watch until the end because we'll show you 3 different ways to do croque monsieur. Hello French food lovers, I'm Chef Jérôme.
Hello, I'm Chef Valentin.
And in this channel, we'll show you how to do
Easy French style cooking.
Yes! 70 grams of butter, 70 grams of flour, 1 liter of milk, 200 grams grated cheese. For the grated cheese, you can put the one you like, 8 slices of ham, 16 slices of white bread. Melt the butter on low heat, add the flour, and stir for 3 minutes. Don't skip this step, otherwise the flour won't be cooked and it won't be digested. This will make what we call a roux. Add the cold milk. You can do it all at once, but I prefer to incorporate it in 3 times. You can either put hot milk and cold roux, or hot roux and cold milk. That's the only way to make it work. Cook it for a few minutes, making sure that it doesn't stick at the bottom. When it's boiling, cook for 2 extra minutes. And now you have what we call Bechamel. Turn off the heat and incorporate half of your grated cheese. Put a thin layer of bechamel on your bread. Lay a slice of ham on top. Cover with bread. Add bechamel on top. Finally, put some grated cheese. Cook in the oven on high heat for about 5 minutes. You want the cheese to get a golden brown color. For the other version, we're gonna do one with chicken and one with tomatoes. For the chicken, you cook it on high heat. You put salt, pepper, and you can also put a little bit of thyme. Cut it in small pieces. Cut your tomatoes in slices. I recommend that you put fresh basil leaves on top. The flavor is gonna be much better. Lay your croque monsieur the same way as you did the original one. Bread, bechamel, stuffing, bread, bechamel, and then finally cheese. For the chicken and tomato ones, you can put goat cheese on top instead of grated cheese. The flavor is gonna be great. Now that you know the basics, you can actually put pretty much anything you like in it. Okay, let's try it and see which one you like the best.
Okay.
Which one do you try to start with?
Tomato.
Tomato, okay. Quite good. Very fresh.
Yes.
Next one, the ham. That's the original croque monsieur.
Yes.
And now the chicken.
Okay.
Wow.
Very good.
Very good. So which one do you like the best?
Chicken and this.
Chicken and ham?
Right.
Okay. If you like the content of this video, don't hesitate to
Hit the bell.
and subscribe. You can also
Like the video.